Hey guys. All right, so I just wanted to give you a quick overview of how our daily lessons will look. All right, so what I've chosen to do is create us a virtual classroom. And so every day in Google Classroom, you're going to have a link to this virtual classroom. And so this is on Monday, this is what you will see at the beginning. We're going to have the little calendar here that will kind of help us just stay on track. And then right here, this is actually a picture of me being extremely goofy. But this is a picture, but on the actual first day of school, this will be a video. So you'll be able to click on it and to actually listen to a message from Miss Hendry. All right. And so to move forward in the virtual classroom, you're going to click on these arrows. The next room that you will see is our Bible Hub. And so this room is very simple. There's everything that's interactive is going to be on the board. And so you are able to click right here in this room to watch this video. You can make it large, or you can you can keep it small, but there are praise and worship songs right here. There's a lesson, and this is actually a lesson from the five of us. I'm sorry, I can't count. 5 of us from last year when we did go to distance learning. So that's just a sample, but there will be like a live video lesson from me for Bible. And then you go down here and click next. All right, so this is our phonics room. Every day you will have a phonics lesson for sure. And so right here is going to be our letter focus board. I have a picture put right here of me holding the letters just simply because I wanted you to know that there will be something right here that will be a video of me teaching the letter that you'll be able to click right here. This may be interactive. It may say something. It may take you to an activity. So make sure that your baby really explores the virtual classroom room, clicks and sees if there are any links attached to pictures. And then over here on our board, I will have a video of myself reading a story that maybe correlates to the letter. Then I'll also have another video of me teaching the baby's handwriting strokes or how to actually write the letters. Then in the middle, I might have extra fun ABC songs, stuff like that, that we would normally do in the classroom. Then down here, this will also be live. You'll be able to click on this and it'll take you to Starfall. I may link a specific letter so that when you click on that link, it will take you directly to the letter app. All right, and so then right here will probably be a lesson of me going over a game that will later be sent to you guys so that the baby can actually do that activity at home. Okay, and so this is our phonics room. Then go to the next room. This is our math room. There's a lot of stuff going on here. But right here on our board, and mainly when you go to these rooms, you want your babies to focus on the board. There will be some fun songs, videos, YouTube videos, but there will also be videos of me teaching. Some of them may look like this. They might be a screencast of me doing an activity to teach, just like this video for orientation. And then there may be a video of me teaching them how to write numbers. Sometimes this will be live because I do want to attempt to try to do calendar math with them every day. And then this poster right here, I know currently it's linked to a counting song. So you guys could click on that and it would take you to a fun YouTube video. And I'm not trying to teach strictly with YouTube, but even in the classroom on our Clear Touch, we always dance to songs in the classroom on YouTube. And so then this is actually a live link to ABC. And so I will probably more than likely link a specific game to this for the kiddos to click on and take them straight to a fun game that will kind of enhance whatever lesson I've taught. Then lastly, you'll have our reading nook. And this is just a comfy, cozy little room where we're going to have a read aloud. And it may just be a back to school read aloud. It may just be a sciencey type of read aloud. Like this one was about frogs. And so if we're talking about frogs at all, then I would probably choose a specific book that just correlated to whatever we were learning. But you would literally go right here to this TV screen, click on it, and then you would be able to watch me read your babies a story. And so that is pretty much it. If you need to go back, you can use these. And then you can also exit right here. I hope that this was helpful, and I will definitely upload the screencast to our Google Classroom so you can review this if you have any trouble. Bye.